Today we're making sheet pan roasted vegetables. Now roasting vegetables is a great alternative to either boiling or steaming, and it works with just about any vegetable. Today we're going to use cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots, but you could use just about anything, and it pairs well with about any meal. Now I've already washed our vegetables and I've already peeled our carrots. And for the carrots, I'm going to just cut them in about 2 to 3 inch pieces. Okay, and then with our broccoli, we're not going to use the stems, so I'll just kind of cut the florets of the broccoli into sections. Now this recipe, if you have not enough of any one certain vegetable to use to feed your whole family, mixing vegetables like this is a great way to get your family to maybe try new vegetables, but also so you've got more to go around for everybody. Okay, now that we've added our vegetables to our bowl, we're going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I like to use olive oil because it's a good neutral tasting, heart healthy oil, but you could use whatever oil that you have available at home. And then we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and a ½ teaspoon of black pepper. And we'll just give this a good mix. Making vegetables at home like this is a great way, if you have anybody in your family that's on a reduced salt diet, it's a great way to make sure that you're monitoring the salt intake. But now that we've got this mixed around in our bowl, we'll go ahead and spread the vegetables around on our sheet pan. And it's important that none of the vegetables are overlapping. If you end up with layers of vegetables, you'll end up steaming the vegetables instead of roasting, because that as they cook, the moisture that's in the vegetables will end up making a steam that will end up cooking them that way, which, I mean, that's fine if you're wanting to steam the vegetables, but today we're going to roast them, so we don't want anything to overlap too much. So that looks good, and we're going to go ahead and put the vegetables in our oven that's been preheated to 425 degrees. And we'll let them cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Now that it's been about 25 minutes, we'll go ahead and check our vegetables. Yeah, these look nice and roasted. So yeah, you could really use any vegetables for this recipe. I really like using this mixture of the cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots because I think that ends up being a really pretty color. You got all three of these colors work really well together. And it's going to be a great source of fiber. But that's our sheet pan roasted vegetables.
For this recipe and more like it, scan this QR code. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.